Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes thin. To achieve truly thin pancakes, the most critical step is perfecting your batter's consistency. You want a batter that is significantly thinner than traditional pancake batter, allowing it to spread effortlessly across the pan. This is primarily achieved by carefully adjusting the ratio of liquid to dry ingredients, ensuring it's not too thick. To get the ideal thinness, your batter should resemble heavy cream or a very thin yogurt. Begin by combining your dry ingredients, then slowly whisk in the wet components. It is vital to add your milk or water gradually, mixing just enough to incorporate everything. Overmixing will develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in a chewier, less delicate pancake, which we want to avoid. The cooking technique is equally important for thin pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it is evenly hot. Pour a small amount of batter, typically about 2 to 3 tablespoons, into the center. Immediately tilt and swirl the pan to spread the batter into a thin, even circle. Cook each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until it is beautifully golden brown. For the best results, allow your pancake batter to rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you start cooking. This resting period is crucial as it gives the flour time to fully hydrate and allows the gluten to relax, leading to a more tender and delicate pancake. When flipping, use a thin, flat spatula to gently lift and turn them, preventing any tearing of your perfectly thin creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.